In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can invite someone to a guild in Universal Tower Defense X on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is just press J to open up the guild screen, or just hit guilds over here. And once you're on here, what you need to go ahead and do is look on the right hand side of the menu and look for like an invite option on here. So select invite on this left hand side of the screen. It's going to then pop up with a page that looks like this, where you need to search for the player's username. Make sure of course that you do spell this name correctly, because if the username is wrong, the game may say the player cannot be found. After entering the name, send the invite, and once the player accepts, they should be added to your guild. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.